Hi. So today we are talking about river cleaning robot. So this is a very important for water pollution. For constantly curbing the water pollution inside the lakes, ponds and rivers and other water resources that are come inside the human and beneficial to the people for lots of a reason. This is the important issue for the human society that the water required for each and every motive to the human being must be safe, clean and without pollution. But the lack of the equipments and the cost of the pollution controlling equipments, it is miles more difficult to easy the rivers and the make is garbage and pollution free for the motive of the river cleaning robot design. The primary awareness of this task is to make the river free from garbage and pollution. This module can be applied in the rivers, ponds, lakes and all water resources. So what we need components to use this river cleaning robot. One is Arduino-Uno, Bluetooth model, battery, solar panel, relay, sensor, DC motors, motor drive, conveyor belt, BO motor, battery operation motor and servo motor. These things to need for make a river cleaning robot. So how is working this river cleaning robot? I will explain that the main aim is this device is to boost waste debris from the water floor and dispose them in the tray. It consists association of conveyor that's designed on shaft to motor. Due to rotation of motor, conveyor circled. As the conveyor is the move, it accumulate water, debris, waste, garbage and plastics from water bodies. As the device is located inside the water, the waste particles in the water will get lifted and it is actions in upward direction. As the waste debris reaches the upper intense position, it will get dropped inside the tray. Hence this result in cleaning of water surfaces and safe series of waste particles from water. Propeller is used to power the machine at the river and the run with assist of PMDC motors. By the usage of this 4-bar mechanism, it related the particular attitude meant to gather the garbage for version. It has window open and close as consumer wishes using for off to on and off the mechanism. Water wheel is bolted on shaft that is placed on base frame. Motor is used to rotate the water wheel with the assist of chain force mechanism. In the venture tracking gadget is likewise implemented, which is helpful to alter perspective of solar panel with recognize to sun rays, so that we get output of solar more. In this studies work, the main mission of this equipment is to dispose for the trash from the floor of the water of river and discard them within the tray. Here we are fabricating the river cleaning system, which is far away operated working principle in trendy terms. The existing invention related to a stationary solid waste screening or skimming vessel for waste from flowing waterways. By way of the use of 4 exclusive varieties for the fins are connected with the rod with the assist of hook at the out of doors of the boat. The flowing of water from fins collects the floating stable waste. After collecting stable waste between fins, all the waste is transferred into last section by way of lifting the fins with the help of servo motor. Fins are hanging from one factor and another point is connected with metal twine, and metal wire is connected with servo motor defined herein. With the deed of solid waste series system for gathering solid waste in body of flowing water that has a flotation platform adapted to being securely placed in and floating on flowing water. A solid waste sense space of a setup on the platform used to connect the ring with boat. This segment can be connected with the boat usage of hooks, and if these packing containers are full of waste, then it is able to be replaced with every other one, or else by way detecting the box this boat can be used for transformation. The river cleaning robot is work for future technology. The product can be used for plenty other functions in the destiny. It can be changed through existent jackets for the duration of rescue operations. This can be finished by fixing suitable propellers with better motor RPMs. We can also replace battery with solar panels and make it completely work on solar energy. Technology advancement is one the important factors so that it will be lead of future of humanity to prosperity and stability. This water cleaning mechanism is no one of kind from this fact, as this system can similarly boost technologically. In this device we will use advanced conveyor device and conveyor materials for increasing the efficiency collection of garbage. We can use the solar panel for providing energy to boat as opposed to battery operation. To modify the size of boat consistent with its waste collecting potential is an increase. This project makes only for the small lakes, and by way of performing some amendments in its size and ability, it can be used in range lake or river like Chowfraya. Conclusion: we are able to conclude that it is an innovative technique of minimizing manual stress and therefore very much reliably stabilizing in the river. The project executed via us made an impressive task inside the environmental purpose, and it is very useful for the small scale works. Although this system in position to collect the garbage from the river with human intervention. The good of the undertaking was efficiently achieved. River cleaning robotic is designed with goal of clean the water particles floating on the river through the use of our drone. We are able to acquire many floating wastes like plastic bottles, bags, plants without any human interference, and then dispose of the waste easily. One can smooth the river simply by running with the help of remote control. Also, our product assists in reducing the water pollution to a positive extent. The major advantage is the protection supplied by using our product, that is, one want no danger his life whilst he is cleaning river, and we simply need one person to control the drone. The product is socially beneficial for the laborers who easy to the river and economically viable. The river cleaning robot, the interceptor from the oceans cleanup, is an autonomous river cleaning machine. It's designed to rid rivers of plastics that lead to the oceans. The interceptor uses the river's current to guide plastic waste into the opening. The river cleaning robot can detect, collect and eliminate all kinds of pollutions, including chemical products and floating waste. The machine can be programmed to collect all kinds of sludges with its robotized arms and then unload the waste. The robot detects chemical pollution via different sensors, GPS, and onboard cameras. It then sucks in the water and filters the pollutions before releasing the cleaned water. Its sensors can also be used to detect and recover waste in the river, collect debris, and recover sludges deposited on the riverbed. So this is the river cleaning robot. Today we talk about these subjects. So see you next video. Thank you.